In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout page in Kajabi, all within a breezy 5 minutes. Kajabi is an incredibly powerful tool for online businesses, and customizing a checkout page is a great way to make sure your customers have a seamless purchasing experience. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to your internet browser and type in kajabi.com. This will bring you to the main page for Kajabi. Now take a look at the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see a login button. Give that a click. You'll be taken to the login screen where you can sign in using your email or Google account, whichever you prefer. If you haven't used Kajabi in a while, now's a good time to check if your login details are up to date to avoid any hiccups. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at your Kajabi dashboard. This is your control center for everything you do on Kajabi, and you'll probably notice a number of special tools and tabs. What you're going to look for next is the Sales tab. Go ahead and click on that. After you've clicked on the Sales tab, you'll see several options. The one you're interested in today is Offers. Select that, and a list of your existing offers will appear. If you haven't set up any offers yet, you might want to explore this section more fully to understand how you can create offers tailored to your business model. Next, choose the offer you want to edit. This is the core of what your customers are buying, whether it's a single product, a bundle, or a subscription service. It's essential to select the right offer to ensure the checkout page matches your customers' expectations. Now, with your offer highlighted, shift your attention to the top menu of the page. You'll see an Edit Checkout button. Click on that and it will take you into the customization area of your checkout page. This part is particularly exciting because a good checkout page can help improve your conversion rate significantly. You now have the opportunity to customize the checkout page content. Change the headlines to make them catchy yet informative. Adjust the color scheme to match your brand aesthetics, and consider adding testimonials or satisfaction guarantees for that extra layer of assurance. The goal here is to make the checkout process as welcoming and straightforward as possible. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a checkout page in Kajabi. By following these steps, you can create a checkout experience that's smooth, intuitive, and perfectly aligned with your brand. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments section. Happy selling!